Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So you have to stop using Midjourney, and create AI with this free tool instead. I'm going to introduce you a bunch of free tools. So yeah, I think Midjourney is good, but it's sort of like overrated at this point. So here it is. First and foremost, using AI voice generators offers several benefits across different application and industries, basically. So, natural sounding voices. AI voice generators produce speeches that sounds increasingly natural, with improvements in intonations, rhythm, and pronunciations, making it more pleasant for listeners. They enable accessibility by converting text to speech, helping visually impaired individuals consume content more easily. So, this includes reading books, articles, or navigating digital interfaces. AI voice generators can speak in multiple languages across accents, facilitating global communications and content localization. Without the need of multiple voice actors. So, they can generate speech in real time from pre-written scripts, allowing for scalability in applications like customer service, where numerous calls can be handled simultaneously without compromising quality. So, AI voices maintain consistency in tone and delivery, ensuring that branding and messaging from uniformed across different platforms and applications, basically. So, compared to hiring voice actors, AI voice generators are often more cost effective for creating audio content, especially for applications requiring large volumes of spoken materials. They offer flexibility in voice customization, allowing users to adjust parameters such as pitch, speed, and accent to better suit specific contexts or preferences. AI voice generators can be easily integrated into various applications and devices through API and SDKs, enabling developers to incorporate speech synthesis capabilities quickly. Some AI voice generators can, create personalized voices, allowing for unique user experiences in applications like virtual assistant or any customer service interactions at all. Continual advancement in AI synthesis technologies lead to improved voice quality, new features, and enhanced user experiences, driving innovations in in-voice enabled applications. So overall, AI voice generators enhance communication, accessibility, and efficiency across a wide range of industries and applications, offering both practical and innovative, basically, solutions to voice synthesis needs. Perhaps one of the most important is one of the ones that I like is Resemble. So, developed by Google, it offers natural sounding voices, supports multiple languages and dialects, offers both male and female voices, can be integrated with various Google products and third-party applications. Known for its clear pronunciation and intonations, basically. So, provides customization options for pitch, available on Android as well, Android devices, as well as web services. Regularly updated with improvements on their voice quality, and also supports different file formats for exporting audio. often used for accessibility and content creation purposes. Okay, it's perhaps one of the favorite here. And it's also affiliated with Amazon's AI-powered context-to-speech services, offers lifelike voices in multiple languages and dialects, and provides real-time streaming and batch processing capabilities, integrates with Amazon Web Services like ecosystem, okay? Enables control over speech and rate pronunciation, supports the SSML. If you don't know what SSML is, it's the speech synthesis markup language. That's it. Try saying that 3 times. For advanced voice customization, generate speech from text or converting documents into spoken audio. It's also popular amongst developers for adding voices features into applications. So yeah, AI voice generator as well. Lovo AI, really good as well. And yeah, parts of Microsoft Azure's cognitive services provides high quality, natural sounding voices. Supports multiple languages also. Offers customization of voices, characteristics like pitch and speaking rate. Integrates seamlessly with ecosystem and other Microsoft products. Other Microsoft products can generate audio files in different formats, including neural text-to-speech capabilities for improved naturalness, suitable for both cloud-based and on-premises deployments, allowing integrations via REST API for flexible usage scenarios. So used for accessibility solutions, virtual assistants, etc. So it's also developed by the IBMs as part of the Watson AI suite. So offers high quality voices with natural intonation, and also supports multiple languages also. So provides customization options for voice pitch, speed, volume, capable of converting text into audio in real time. So integrates with IBM Cloud and other Watson services. Supports SSML also for fine-tuning speech output. Enables batch processing, large text datasets, use in custom services applications, education, entertainment, and known for its reliability to robust API for developers as well. Utilizes deep learning techniques for generating synthetic voices. Offers customization voices creation capabilities, and allows control over gender, age, accent of the generated voice. Provides natural sounding voices suitable for various platforms. Supports multiple languages and accents as well, and can mimic specific voices really depending on the dataset. So offers API integration with applications and services known for generating voices that are difficult to distinguish from human recordings used in entertainment, customer service, and gaming industries. Continuously improves voice qualities through machine learning. So that's just basically it. Provides this text-to-speech also recognition. That's what I love about the Artilist here. And I hope I've covered enough AI tools out here that you guys could use,